Hi, I'm David Fries. This is part of a series of videos and video reports that we've prepared for you, answering some of the most frequently asked questions about mediation of serious family, trust, estates, will, and probate disputes. One of the most frequent questions we get asked is, should the mediator be a psychologist or an attorney in the mediation of these types of claims? There's no quick and clean and totally effective 100% certain answer to that question. However, both skill sets are important. It's important if you have a psychologist that they have mediated trust and estates claims successfully in the past. Generally speaking, a knowledge of the relative merits under the law of each side's position is important to resolving trust and estates claims. So if you're going to select a psychologist, it's important to find out if they have experience and knowledge about the law. If you're going to pick an attorney, it's important that they successfully have mediated claims to a conclusion. If you have a lawyer who's extremely knowledgeable or an ex-judge who's extremely knowledgeable about the law, but fails to have the skill set to bring people together and to fashion a resolution, you might not get the resolution you want. Then you end up in the probate court, you end up fighting about this, you end up litigating about this, and you end up spending the time and expense and rarely saving the family relationships. However, on the other hand, if you find either a psychologist or an attorney who's a skilled arbitrator and has handled these types of cases before, knows both how to bring family members together and what the law says about the strengths and weaknesses of each side, that's going to be the optimal candidate to select as your mediator. I hope this is helpful. If you'd like more information about mediation of family disputes, then please visit www.paestateplanners.com and search mediation, or visit www.utbf.com/mediation. Thank you.